Now all is well in the world. The tree is lit.
Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the recap of the 2026 Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival. I hope you enjoyed all the footage. There was a lot of great stuff there. I've been to this event for 4 years in a row, and every year it gets better and better. If you were at the 2026 Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival, what was your favorite thing you saw over that weekend? Let me know down in the comments below. Also, if I met you in person for the first time or for the first time in a while, let me know down in the comments as well. And hopefully you got one of my maker chips or stickers while you were there. If you enjoyed today's recap video, please go hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. It'd be greatly appreciated. Also hit the notification bell while you're at it so you know when the next video will be going live. I'll also post a link to the Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival website so you guys can find out more information about the event if you're curious about attending next year. I also want to give a massive shout out to Justin, Mike, Zach, and the rest of the Rocky Mountain staff and volunteers that made that past weekend the most amazing weekend there. Seriously guys, thank you for all your hard work and making this an amazing event I love coming back to every single year. Well, that's going to wrap up this recap video of the 2026 Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival. Thank you all so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, you guys are awesome. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will catch you all in the next video. Take care, and until next time everybody, keep doing it big.